confidence in God. So whatever you see that day may make you believe in God.
Wow. Musicians.
There'll be artists in there, a lot of artists in there. Some of them in buying tables here and there. Nayenga ku stage lero tugenda kutukunganidde kucha katonda. So no, tekugenda kubeera ko secular music on the stage. However, there is going to be so many artists. Abayimbe ezedini, abayimbe ezeno nezensi nabo bagenda berayo kubanga like I told you in a show si abalokole boka tesaze nti ono gundi si yeno yono ye. It is for the children of God, who is you, who is me, who is every other person out there. So buli omu ali entitled okubera mu show. Yes, era bonna mwagenda kukinyumirwa ate n'abantu kyebalina kino nti oba oliawo omuntu omwadze naye nga teyesiwa siwa katonda yani gwosongamu awo gogamba siwa katonda. Every person belongs to God, omulungi omubi obani ate mukama katonda ono ajja ba surprising ennyo ku lunaku luli. So many people are going to be making heaven ate nga betusuubira abangi tebasobodde kulaba kabaka bwa mukulu. So no, for us, we're not here for the saved already, we are here for those that are looking to be saved.
Wow. Gabby, at first tukulaba Kongo oli mu TV, after the TV and stuff otandika ddi ogamba nti kaneddize katonda fully nve ku bintu byonna ebyensi kolera TV and stuff dogamba nti nze kati leero nsazeewo osalawo ddi Gabby?
No, nali ku TV, nali nyimba, and I was singing gospel music. So yeah, my life has been given to Christ a long time now. So the transition from TV or to completely doing a career in gospel ministry was that just into time. That was 2021, December 2021, and up to now, tweyongera maaso ka time eri yali eweddeko nga time eddako yakubeera nga tetweyongera yo kati wano wetuli. The decision is really made up there. Tekitekulinaako nnyo say, and but God makes sure that you realize that it's for the best, and He makes sure you're comfortable where you are. I am comfortable, and I was grateful for where I was as well.
Wow. But you know, sichangu sometimes Gabby to penetrate the music industry because it I know you're going to attribute it to God. Gabby Ntaate, do you put in any other work? You've penetrated at a very fast speed. Abana banja abadde mu industry, by the way, Gabby Ntaate bafunye the love you are receiving right now, which cause
Kati Tash, if I say Oliwa tribe chi. So if I come out and say Tash kati dero waliwo tribal day naye Tash ogenda kutambulira mu bagisu, is it okay?
No, it's not,
because you belong somewhere. Naye ate singa ngamba Tash for when otambula ogenda tambulira mu baki mu Banyankole n'otambulirayo nze nsubira oba olina kyogoberedde ekigenda okubeera nga we recognize better. So kiringa we nakubuuza 2+2 is 4. You know that it is 4, but I can write 8. It wouldn't be a right answer, right? And so it is the same thing with the things of the spirit. You are obliged to go a certain way. You're obliged to do a certain thing. And if you do it, 2+2 never 4. Ekuwa result eva mu 2+2 equals 4. A correct answer with the feedback from the teacher saying good work. Ate bona tekawo 8 era 8 genda ko esana yakabonero ako nako kabeko kikajirako. So I believe in my spirit and in my body, every part of me believes that there is nothing you can do to attribute your success to. Every success has come from the Lord. Wabula mubamu discipline of, if God says do it this way, then do it that way, because when you do it that way, there are rewards that come with doing it that way. Era bwojema, there are rewards. So I cannot say I've been 100% perfect. Nange mbaddeko ndisina mbaddeko nange nsomozebwa ng'omuntu, there is mistakes you've made that you look at n'ogamba but then you also attribute them to the fact that I was not obedient enough, and then I ended up making certain mistakes. However, God is God, and as agezako kulabanga He gives beauty for ashes. So kyonze kyensobola okugamba nti kibadde mu discipline nyingi, nange mbiraba ne ngamba Mukama njagadde neyanziza naye nga ate nkimanyi sisobola kukikola. Kiri kyenkugambye nti I do not believe that I can accumulate all those people into one place, but I know that the one that I serve can actually do beyond my imagination. So kyekyo kyenyimiriddeko, and that is what my said success is attributed to.
Wow, thank you. Ngatusa chigamba muntu na chikiriza. So right now it's official. Oli mwana wa Katonda, sorry akantu kanumye. Oli mwana wa Katonda, you're serving God in a way that is actually modest. Abantu bacha kujudginga yali ku TV kati yalokose nnyo. How are we handling all of that pressure?
I do believe that it is the responsibility and the Lord's doing. I don't have to be worried about it. If you're worried about it, you're going to see a lot of it. But then if you immerse yourself in the Lord, then you will be dealing with all that. Before you know it, you don't cut it. I do not know, but tewali ina audacity to bring it before me. But that's not because I am any better than anyone else. It's because the Lord has covered me. So chebaita okubikubwako kwa Mukama. Yes. Atene Mukama simo nafu. Era mba nafuta sobola kulumba. So God knows who he is, and his power is not for debate. So amanyi bwabaga kutaddeko, the power is going to show. The power will show. Ntinata kilizera ina agama alike change ulo. It is not the humans that do that. It is the Lord that covers them in his wing, under his wings.
Panza omuli abalokole, omuli abali abensi, omuli bani. There are people that are going to abagenda chukira wano mu show. By the way, Gabby, your music touches hearts, and you know that. Ni mulimu omuntu nga tajja kusobola mitwalo 10. Waliwo plans zizo nanti obaba na wangula obaba na kola kino bajja babakirizibwa okujja.
Basigale ku mikutu jaffe kubanga okeererawo ng'oyagala kuwa abantu awo tiketi nga wafunyeyo tiketi awo naye baba tabadde ku muko
waliwo ate abagulidde
abantu baba tabaddeeko ate tuba tugenda kukola tutya naye nga ate waba tasobodde there will be other shows wabanga mutuufu tasobodde nkimanyi Mukama bw'ati waba ategese nga naye alina wajja omukola ki
wajja okusanga ewalala wasobola
naye nga basigale ku mikutu gwe gwolaba wonna Gabby Ntaate wolaba wonna refined events sigala awo anything can just happen and ate n'obeera ng'omukisa gukuguddeko. The show is filled with blessings, so blessing ku blessing. I've been getting I've gotten so many blessings just.
That is Gabby Ntaate for you. Nenga Gabby tusuubire ki ku show olunaku lwa concert twambi twesunze shino tukoze program yona tugamba it's all about Gabby Ntaate because you've been an amazing part of the industry. Otwagadde Gabby Ntaate oyimbe enyimbe zikute ku myoyo sabantu basuubire ki ekyenjawulo ku lunaku olwo from Gabby Ntaate oba it's just a surprise?
Olunaku olwo isinganze nange mbagamba ekyokusuubira ate nange njabba nnimba omanyi Mukama agamba I'm able Mukama agamba I'm able to do exceedingly beyond what you can imagine. So there is something I imagine, and then there is what God is able to do exceedingly beyond that which I have imagined. So chensinga okumanya nze kigenda kumpesanyo kulaba abantu nga balokoka kulaba abantu nga bakkiriza Mukama bannange era wajjabbawo okwatula tekisobola na kukimisinga ekyo because kyenjagala okumumanye temuzze kurange muzze kurwa Mukama Katonda. Come and experience God in a way maybe that you have not experienced him before. I want to wagenda kubeerako omwoyo gwa Mukama agenda kukka era agenda kuba ku bantu. You're not going to be healed because you are so righteous. You're going to be healed because the Lord is good and he can heal. You're going to receive so much nange takisobola kugamba lunaku lwabula mujje emitwalo 10 kwasatu ku miliyoni 3 tebo ya miliyoni 3 abantu 8 VIP ya mitwalo 3 ate emitwalo 10 ordinary tickets mujje mu bungi mwerabireko sisaze nti obono mwenna mujje mulungi omubi n'oyo ali wakati mwenna mujje Mukama aliwo for people like you. Come olaba nafa tujje wala tujidde ddala wala nze bwentandika okwogera janze gye sitotola. So God has been azampalula singa takkiriza kuwalulibwa singa siri wano. So if he can save me he can definitely save you, and I want God for everybody. Akagambo kanga kasimba to come and see and get the Lord while he can still be found. Obulamu bwa Mukama bunyuma tashi bunyumira ddala tuli eno era Betty oluva wano Betty mutwala mukali waliwo tubali tusabira
Betty naku zinombo mchala hajo baba alimba haja jakukiriza nti omukazi tumulokodde
no Betty yaguze table.
Wow.
Nasimisobola uli ndongambo bwe mtonse naye omanyi wengeno jimu banja nga nvudde ku show.
Betty asula sente za table. Nenga Betty asobola sasula table.
Betty asobola table nga 3. Wamusanga mu mudu. Pete bonga 3. Nagenda koko ku show Betty yandise olunaku lulamu.